6 tips for six-pack abs. No matter if you are a teen trying to get into shape or a grown woman returning to the world of fitness, a hard and flat stomach is the final goal for many a person. Because of this topic is covered in plenty of fitness myths and revolutionary ideas and is especially susceptible to fancy machines and ideas that claim to give a rock-hard six-pack in weeks, yet to do absolutely nothing. This article does not claim to give rock-hard abs in a week but instead serves to try to change the views some people have gotten from watching too many infomercials at 2 a.m. 1. You can't spot reduce. This means that you can't burn fat only from a specific spot on your body. All the sit-ups in the world will not burn the fat on your gut. Body fat is lost from all over your body and is caused by a caloric deficit, not from activating a certain muscle group. 2. Cardio is important. The key to getting a six-pack is not in building up the abdominals, but in burning the fat that covers them. The way to achieve this is to have a caloric deficit, which can be achieved by both taking in fewer calories and using up more calories. A form of cardio that is very effective for burning fat and boosting your metabolism is HIIT. HIIT is an exercise in short bursts of intense cardio followed by a short cool down. An example would be a sequence of the 30-second run, jog, and sprint for minutes depending on the fitness of a person. 3. Abs are made in the kitchen. This is the least complex and yet the most difficult aspect of getting a six-pack. The key to getting a six-pack is to cut down on food and lose body fat. Here are some easily applicable tips. Stop drinking soda and start drinking only water. It can make a huge difference. Eat 5 to 6 small meals a day. This helps boost your metabolism and keep your appetite in check. Try to find your calorie maintenance level and gradually decrease 100 to 200 calories per week until you are shedding about 1 to 2 pounds a week. 4. Sit-ups are useless. Sit-ups are supposed to target the abs, but the hip flexors and spinal erectors are actually doing the work in the movement. The abdominals are only used isometrically as stabilizers. This means that sit-ups are terrible for your back and do not benefit your abs anyway. 5. Other exercises to do. Now, this would be the time for me to plug some new life-changing product or idea, but that is not the point of this article. Here are some ab exercises for beginners to do instead of the traditional sit-up. Crunches. There are many different types, but try to think of it as an exercise that pulls your bottom rib directly to your hip. Weighted crunches. Do normal crunches except hold a plate to your chest. Hanging leg raises. Hang from a bar and pull your knees directly to your chest. 6. Don't give up. While achieving your goal of a six-pack may not be as painless and easy as infomercials alleged, it is still a very realistic goal even for a beginner. All it takes is hard work and determination. Giving up a week after you started will not help you get a six-pack or help your overall fitness.